Moja wan Kenya Rafael Tuju chiwo ndong' ne jakom mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati mondo koro ler ne jo Kenya romo ma apanda ma owacho ni koro ne giromo kode. Tuju manoloso kod ute fwambo odiochieng' manyoro yango ni Chebukati riambo ni mar rombe ma yande ne gibedo godo mathoth e kinde mane tiayo yiero go ne gin ji mathoth ma bende onge mar apanda ma yande ne ginyalo losoe. Oseyo commissioners kaka mariwo Chebukati to kod Boya Mulu ni emane dwaro mondo koro rom kode, kendo koro owacho no ikore mar chiwo tipo mago mag wang' dede mantiere ode kata mag CCTV kaka ne giromo gi commissioners go to kendo kod weche go mabende ne giwacho.
I like to be able to state at this stage that Mr. Chebukati is not a stranger to me, Mr. Gulie is not a stranger to me, and Mr. Molu are not strangers to me. He has made claims of what I said when 10 of us were in that room. All the commissioners were in that room, and Mr. Amos Wako was in that room, and another lawyer, I don't know his name, Bonduo, whoever he is. So there are 10 of us in that room. For him to claim that I made some offers to him in front of those 10 is a tara diddle. Is a tara diddle. Petty lie. But I want to go back to the fact that these people are not strangers to me. I want Mr. Chebukati to explain to me and to explain to Kenyans when he came to a secret location to meet with me, and what was that discussion about? At least he's talked about where 10 were. What was the discussion when he came to a secret location to see me in Karen? Number 2, I want Mr. Gulie, or Professor Gulie, and Mr. Molu to explain what they came to do in my house. What was that discussion about? And the drift of that discussion was more of auctioneers rather than